Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Andi Sabudin. I will explain about all material from first until finish. Okay, the first material. What is morphology? Morphology is a branch of linguistics that studies the internal structure of words. It focuses on morpheme, word formation, and word form change. Next, jenis-jenis morpheme. Yang pertama itu ada bone morpheme. Bone morpheme is morpheme that cannot stand alone and does not have meaning unless attached to another morpheme. Yang kedua ada free morpheme. Free morpheme is a morpheme that can stand alone and has meaning. Kemudian bone morpheme. Bone morpheme dibagi menjadi tiga, yaitu derivational, inflectional, dan contractible. Derivational ada dua, yang pertama prefix dan suffix. Ya, contoh dari prefix yaitu an, re, dan anti. Kemudian contoh dari suffix adalah nes, suffix atau akhiran, nes, sip, dan izet. Kemudian infleksional itu ada infleksional suffixnya. Suffix, contoh dari suffixnya r, ed, est. Kemudian contractible contohnya is, are, dan will. Kemudian selanjutnya ada free morpheme. Free morpheme ada dua, yaitu open class dan close class. Contoh dari open class yaitu nouns, tiktoker. Kemudian verbs, googling. Kemudian adverbs, insanely. Kemudian contoh dari close class ada conjunctions, and but. Kemudian preposition on, at, in, dan pronouns he, you. Kemudian selanjutnya the next material is allomorph. Allomorph is a variation of a single morpheme that does not change the meaning. Example-nya of the plural morphemes s. Contohnya s, cats, z, dogs, dan iz, buzzes. Kemudian selanjutnya affixation. And then affixation is the process of adding an affix to a base word to form a new word or change its meaning. Yang pertama ada prefix, yang kedua ada suffix. Prefix is an affix added at the beginning of a word. It usually changes the meaning of the base word. Example-nya unhappy, plus happy. Kemudian redo, re plus do. Kemudian kedua suffix. Suffix is an affix at the end of a word. It change the word's meaning or grammatical category. Example-nya careless, care plus less. Friendship, friend plus ship. And then next, word formation process. Word formation process are linguistic methods used to create new word in a language. This process help keep a language dynamic and evolving. Word formation process itu dibagi menjadi 10. Yang pertama itu ada derivation, inflection, compounding, clipping, blending, acronym, abbreviation, back formation, conversation, dan borrowing. Jadi saya akan menjelaskan satu-satu. Yang pertama, derivation adalah forming new word by adding affix, prefix, or suffix. Example-nya happy menjadi unhappy. Kemudian inflection is changing the form of a word to indicate grammatical information. Example-nya walk to walked, cat to cats, tall to taller. And then number 3 is compounding, combining two free morpheme into one new words. Example-nya sunflowers dan greenhouse. Yang keempat ada clipping. Clipping is shortening a longer word into a shorter form. Example-nya refrigerator to fridge. Kemudian yang kelima ada blending. Blending adalah combining parts of two different words. Example-nya motor plus hotel menjadi motel. Kemudian yang keenam ada akronim. Akronim is a word formed from the initials pronounced as a word. Example-nya COD. And then next, abbreviation. Abbreviation is a shortened form of a word or phrase pronounced by individual letters. Example-nya TV. And then number 8, back formation. Back formation is creating a new word by removing a real or assumed affix. Example-nya editor menjadi edit. Number 9, conversion. Conversion is changing the word class without changing the form. Example-nya Google to Google, email to email, clean to clean. And then last, borrowing. Borrowing is taking words from other language. Example-nya ballet from French, sushi from Japanese, and batik Indonesian. Maybe that's all from me about our material. About material is morphology. Thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.